Welcome to a new beautiful day here on Auto Corner, and today we're going to do something fun. We're going to go to a car meet in Sweden. So I'm going to show you what the car culture is in Sweden. I'm going to tell you right away, it's a lot of Volvos. So if you like that type of shit, then you can keep on watching. Take this. F5 has no chance! No chance!
Just det, was that the F10 or what?
Ja, det fan.
Det var det.
Still ahead of the M5. This is a good beginning to a video. Vad är hästarna?
Den där?
Nej, den här då?
200 bro.
This is 400 horsepower Volvo, and it's yellow as well, so no one can fuck with you. Oh! Oh man! Messi! Yep, let's see how this night's gonna end. Well, at this moment we thought that we are going to a car meet, but as you will see in the video, we didn't. This is a random mod right here, mobile one, for my car actually, so I always walk around with it for good luck. Good. You can continue watching the video now. Yeah, this car is awesome because it has a leather steering wheel and it's a tree on it. It's just like a Bentley Arnage, only it's a Volvo. And it's actually yellow, so it's at least 50 horsepower when it's yellow. So it's gonna be a fun night. We have two M5s and going to a car meet. So what else can you ask for on a Saturday? So sadly this yellow Volvo is not coming with us. Turbo. Well, yeah, we are on our way to Halmstad, which is a little summer town in Sweden. There's a car meet there, so we're taking both the M5s there. It will be a fun road trip, so cue the montage. Well, this sucks. We have broken car number 2, so yeah, we have a knocking sound from the engine. So yeah, that sucks. First the CLS and now this car. So fucking sad. Well, the first F10 box, we found a way to entertain ourselves by driving M5, yeah, drive-by. That's a working M5. Messi! So yeah, that sucked. We finally got the cars going to a car meet. We had a fun time, and then something happened, as you can hear in the video, and it really sucked for me because first we had my car that broke, and now we have this car that broke, so really bad luck. So we were stranded by the side of the road. We heard the knocking sound. He also loose when he accelerated, did not get any power. So we were very sketched out. So we googled around a little bit what it can be, and we called some people. And first we thought it was timing chain or even more something really serious inside of the engine. Then we googled a little bit more, and if you hear the sound, it really sounds like hydraulic lifters. We don't know at the moment what it is. I have no idea. We will probably figure it out later on. But we thought it was hydraulic lifters. But anyway, we probably could not fix it though. We cannot fix it beside of the road. So we thought that we need to get the car out of there. So we called around a bunch of people, and luckily enough we got the thing to put the car on, and we also called a lot of people, and was a very good friend of mine that was very kindly lended his big Volvo SUV to us so we can pull the car. So great thanks to him. So we picked up the car, and yeah, we drove it back to the city. So no car meet today, sadly. So this was sort of reminiscing of the Mercedes-Benz CLS 55 AMG experience. So now I can say that I've pulled the CLS 55 AMG and a BMW M5 F10. I guess that's good. Det passar. Nej, gå in där bror. Ja. So in a weird event, going to this car show would be a fun thing, but instead of driving two BMW M5s, we are in a Volvo XC90 on a Swedish gas station actually, picking up something that we can put the M5 on. so we can drive it back home and see what happened to the engine. So fun night, I guess.
Messi!
Jag kör glaset, vi knullar på den. Det är 5 jag satt med. I have to admit though, this looks actually pretty cool. I'm sort of getting good at towing cars. Not towing cars, putting cars on one of these, and we got a good car to pull it with as well. It's a D5 Volvo, so we got plenty of power to go all around. So yeah, let's hit the road and hope for the best.
Oh, showman!
Nej, det räcker.
Showman! Oh, showman! Showman! Vänta!
Lys!
Det var ingen batteri!
Vänta!
Stopp där! Lite vänster! Stopp!
Nej, vänta! Right!
Bara rakt!
Stopp! Right!
Lite vänster!
Lite vänster!
Rakt!
Vänster!
Höger!
Upp! Rakt! På, mer!
Vänster!
Mer, upp! Bromsa!
Kör!
Nej, okej, den är på.
Kör sakta bara! Rakt med däcken! Stopp! Åh, jävlar! Messi, man!
Sätt spannen.
Grabbar, den är på.
Fan, vad läskigt. Jag sa det var läskigt.
Grabbar, den är på. Bratte.
Sen vi lägger den ut, vi måste starta den, för lägger den i tråd, va?
Ja, vi måste lägga alla spännband.
Men den tippar ju automatiskt. Vi
Jalla.
har klossar också. Känns den tung? Ja, det är när du drar.
Inte i början, men när det går upp i 70-80 då börjar det vingla, fan.
Då kör jag det lugnt ändå.
Du måste köra horhus lugnt.
Bra, om du börjar för mycket. Då går det fart. Då går det inte rända.
Nej, men det kommer inte bli det.
Du vet vad jag menar, va?
Ja.
Alltså att den bör alltid köra de här om du kan, eller? Stoppar riktigt.
Det är ju en M5 är det ju. Va? Finner du? Ja, bara lite. that's that. We got the car. The car is in a garage. And now that car is also broken, so yeah, did not went to plan. My wife is actually sleeping. God morgon, älskling. But yeah, so you did not see a Swedish car show, but yeah, at least you saw a unique video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. More to come on Car Nerd.